Hey everyone, welcome to Serpwizz, and I want to welcome you all also into our SEMRUSH series where we talk about all things SEMRUSH, including their tools and features. And today we will be talking about their EyeOn tool, which is under .trends, and it is it focuses on monitoring your competitors 24/7. So basically that's where it got its name, which is EyeOn, or eyeing on your competitors. So what this does is basically to monitor all of your competitors' new content, promo shifts, and everything else that they are doing in terms of promoting their web pages or their content and stuff like that. So what you need to do here is just enter 5 competitor domains, which later on I'll be showing you how to select or how to identify your competitors. But yep, first before we utilize the tool, let's just have a quick look about all of this information as we scroll down on this page. So EyeOn allows you to track your competitors' newly posted content, discover the products and services getting extra promo attention, and also monitor competitors' activity trends. So by doing that, you get to analyze competitors' activity to reveal their strategy. So this is really a tool that is gonna be on the lookout for every move that your competitor does, especially when they launch new content or blogs that are talking about their new products, audience, and strategy insights, promotions, maybe some sales offer, things like that. So it also allows you to explore ads depending on how they use it to uncover their new promos and positioning efforts, and also track new pages for product releases. Basically what I said earlier. And you also get weekly notifications on competitors' activity trends, so you're not gonna miss out on anything. These are emails. These notifications come in the form of emails, and believe me, they come right on time because I have been getting these email notifications when I signed up for, or when I set up all the other tools in the project's dashboard. So you're sure, or you're guaranteed to get them weekly. So here we're gonna utilize this tool now, and in order to do that, we need 5 competitor domains. So how do you determine this? If you are not yet aware of who your competitors are, for example, you're a starting business, or you just haven't had the time yet to check on your competitors in that particular matter. So what you just need to do is go to SEO, or I mean, of course, you need to go to semrush.com and then register for an account here to be able to utilize all these tools. And then click here on the SEO drop down, and or on the SEO button, and there will be a drop down list of all the tools under that category, and then click on organic research. So after that, you will be brought on over to this page. Here you can already see results because I have already set this up, and if you want to know more about this tool, then definitely check this on, or I have already made a specific video, a dedicated video talking about this particular tool. And if you want to view that, head on over to our channel, which is Serpwizz, or I will be leaving a link for this particular playlist on the description box below so that you can access it faster. But yep, our organic research basically allows you to get position changes, competitors, pages, subdomains, and then just click on the competitors tab, and you would have some graphs or some results talking about your competitors. Basically for this one, I used ebay.com. So that's the domain I used. That's why the competitors are the likes of Amazon, Walmart, Pinterest, Etsy. So we're just going to be getting the 5 domains from here, and then use it to utilize the EyeOn tool. So let me just get them quickly and then come back. Alrighty, so now we have our domains, our competitors' domains right over here, and then just click on Start Monitoring, and let's see how this goes. So, yep, you can create and manage up to 20 lists and have your competitors grouped any way you want. Oh, this is amazing. So you can actually form groups regarding your competitors so that you can categorize them accordingly to however you want them to be. So according here, even if I am on a free trial account, I can still list or group list up to or make up to 20 lists for my competitors group. Okay, so got that, and then you can see here all updates which are listed right there. So you can click on this to find the results of what you want, and then you can also delete those if you think if you change your mind and want to look for another competitor instead. So here's the results for Amazon. So there are no new pages. Google search ads. So basically they are thriving on Google search ads, and these are the ads that are up and running for them. There you go. And then for example, Pinterest. So there are also no new pages. YouTube, let's see. So basically these domains are more on Google search ads as far as I can see. And it makes a lot of sense because of course we see all their ads all the time. So they are particularly not into content, which is blog posts and new pages. So they are more on search ads, and that is something that you want to look out for. For example, you are one of their competitors and you want to at least be on their level, so you know where to focus on, you know where to or which one to target. Instead of putting out so many content like pages and blog posts, you would instead focus on Google search ads. So that's an amazing thing about EyeOn. And here you can see it's monitoring list 1, so you can make up to 20. And this is for the specific time frame, and you get results weekly. So you can email report settings. You can get email notifications weekly, and you can also change your target country right here. So this is basically for all countries. That's how EyeOn works. And if I were you, I'd be heading over to SEMRUSH.com right now and register for an account and utilize this tool right away, so that you not only get to identify which are your competitors, but also have a look at very important insights about them as well. So yeah, basically that's it for me today, and I hope you guys found this useful. And if you want to know more about SEMRUSH, then definitely watch our SEMRUSH playlist and stay tuned for all the next videos that we will be putting out. Thank you guys so much for watching, and see you next time.